For more than a year, many infections and deaths have been caused by COVID-19. In March 2020, multiple COVID-19 infection cases occurred in units at high-level floors of the Tai Po Hang Tai House. Experts, after an investigation, were able to detect coronavirus on the roof. They believe aerosol particles out of the ventilating pipe was a source of COVID that spread to the high floors. High-rise buildings have at least one ventilating pipe. If the windows were open to the sky well, or if exhaust fans were turned on, there's a chance that viruses and pathogens can be pulled indoor. The following demonstration will highlight how wind blowing over ventilating pipe spreads viruses and pathogens from the sewers. When wind blows across the top of the pipe, it develops a suctional force at the top. The suction force lifts pathogenic aerosols up and out from the pipe. Once out of the ventilating pipe, the aerosol slowly drifts down the building, potentially entering into surrounding homes. This phenomenon is particularly significant at low and moderate wind speed, spreading pathogens in the environment. The danger cannot be overlooked. UV-C VentGuard stands ready to break the hidden transmission chain.